At Maximoworld, we kick off with a focus on competency, the kind that comes from real conversations, shared experiences, and hands-on learning. Join your Maximo peers in dedicated user group sessions built around what matters most: strategy, integrations, mobility, scheduling, supply chain, even how Maximo works in complex environments like airports. Whether you're just getting started or deep into deployment, this is where practical learning begins. Across the hall, Tririga World user groups offer the same opportunity to build real-world competency. This time in capital projects, real estate, government portfolios, and operations and maintenance. You'll hear from experienced professionals guiding organizations through the complexity of Tririga every day. These sessions are designed to help you walk away smarter with insights you can actually use the moment you're back on the job. And the best part? It's all included with your Maximoworld registration, because Monday isn't a warm-up, it's where the learning starts.